Hey, thanks for joining. In this video, I will show you how to create add to calendar links using only the tools that you already have on your computer. Hi, I'm Tatiana Bellam, and I help service providers grow their business and have more time by implementing systems, processes, and automations. So this is one of the examples of creating the process in your business. So if you ever run a workshop, a webinar, you know how important it is to increase the show up rate. So how do you increase the show up rate? So one of the ways to get people to show up to your events is have them add the event to their calendar. So I'm going to show you how to create those links that you can put on the thank you page, put on the into the confirmation email, so people can just click on the links and voila, the event gonna be in their calendar. So let's dig in. First, we need the public Google Calendar. So if you don't have a public Google Calendar, go ahead and add a calendar, create a new calendar that you can share with everybody basically that has this special link. So we're not gonna share that link. We're gonna be only sharing the link to the specific events, but we need to go into the calendar and make sure that it's available and people can see the events. And then we're gonna go ahead and create our event. So I have a sample event here all set up, so I'm gonna just quickly show you what I have here. I have the name of the workshop, start and end time in my time zone, and it's actually gonna get added to the people calendar in their time zone, so you don't have to worry about the time conversion as well. So it's gonna go in with the right time zone. So just make sure that you do have your time zone in there. Share your Zoom link. Go ahead and share some information about the events, anything that may be helpful to your attendees. If you have any links to the documents that they can follow along, you can drop those as well in there. It's all gonna carry over into the event that you created. So then go ahead and save. The next step is to make sure that you actually save all the details. You're ready to publish that event, because after you publish that event, you create the link, those changes are not gonna be that link only gonna show them the changes, only the details of the event up to that moment. And also, like, if people already added to the link to their event to the calendar, so they made a copy, and if you go and make the changes, they will not see it. So make sure that all the changes are done and ready, and you're ready to publish. So to publish the event, we're gonna go ahead and click those three dots and click on publish, and this is the link. So all you have to do is copy that link, and now you can share it in the email on the confirmation page. It's that easy. So you created the event, you share the link, super easy. And this link will allow people to add the Google Calendar event to their Google Calendar. And what if about the people that don't use the Google Calendar? So if people use the Apple Calendar or the Outlook, we want to give them another option as well. So what I have is I have this calendar syncing to the actually to the Apple Calendar here. And once the event is synced over, I'm just gonna go ahead and double check that all this information is carried over and it's all ready to go. And next thing, I'm gonna go and drop this link over to my desktop. That's it. I have created the iCalendar file that I can attach to the email, and people can add it to, click on the email, add it to their calendar from the email. But what about if I want to add that to the confirmation page? So here it's where it gets a little bit more trickier. So what you need to do is you need to upload that file either to the Dropbox or the Google Cloud storage. And so this way it's like both Google Cloud Storage and the Dropbox make it very easy where you can share the link, and then people click on the link and the file automatically downloads to their computer. If you want to share that file using Google Drive, it's gonna add a little bit of friction, and I do not recommend it. But if you don't have, if all other options are not available to you, you can also put it on a Google Drive and share the link that way. But what it's gonna do, it's gonna open the black screen for people, and then people need to click the download link. So the Dropbox or the Google Cloud Storage are the way to go for sharing the links. So once you generate those links, you can add them to the confirmation page, or you can also add them as a link into your email as well, and you are ready to share the information about your event. I hope you found that information helpful. So if you like to know more about the different ways to use the different tools, click subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave a comment for me.